Long story short, the Instant Pot has a problem. Wait, Houston, we have a problem.
Something burned bottom of my Instant Ace Plus blender. I ran the clean cycle twice, and the stubborn food is still there. And then give it some tender love and care by letting it run on a hotter setting, and see if that will take care of the problem. It's really looking stuck. Let's see, soup. It didn't say soup 1 or 2.
Yeah, because that was mainly just to get it up to temperature. Like once it gets to the temperature, you actually got to cut it off anyway.
We'll see. Could not, with the little brush here, it didn't seem to want to like come away right away. So we'll see if this helps. Otherwise, I'm afraid my husband's going to take it apart.
How good is a blender that easily can burn something but can't easily get clean?
It's a concern.
That might be a big fatal flaw of this thing.
That's true, because there's stuff in there floating.
Well, and it's an interesting concept. So by turning the heating element on, we are heating the very surface that has stuff stuck to it.
Right.
So does that help to maybe loosen it up? But something tells me this is going to be one of the Achilles heels of a blender that cooks.
Well, so cancel, and now it says clean. But guess what? I'm going to put a little soap in there. Clean. Oh, I just got a whiff of vinegar.
Okay, show me the money. That looks like a big black brown spot.
Okay, it can be scraped at this point.
Yeah, it's like soft enough. One of those blades weren't in the way, huh?
I wonder if See, to me this brush is stupid because you can't clean down there with this brush. Like, it's got 4 little bristles here on the top, but that's not going to clean. I'm going to say it. That's not going to clean shit. All I have in here is soap and water. I already did the soaking with the vinegar and water and did that cleaning cycle. But we're going to try this. And once it's at 212, we're going to turn it off. Well, we're going to do a clean cycle and then let it sit. We're going to watch a little bit of Supernatural.
The best show ever.
And come back every now and again to clean it. Okay. We're going to let that sit for a little while and then we'll be back. it's 170 degrees still. See? It still feels warm. It says that it is now at 156 degrees. All right, let's see here. So one last cleaning. All right, it is getting better, but as you see, it is still a hot mess. This is what I put in the dishwasher. This is Finish, actually it's a Powerball Max In one. Actually I could put the Powerball in it. I took off the plastic just so that it will do what it needs to do. And go put it in here and cook the bad boy. I'm hoping that this will work, and what will happen is that when I make stuff that I can just do this and it will take care of the problem for me. Otherwise, my husband's going to start tearing things apart.
Okay, since I can't take anything apart, I'm going back.
But yeah, I mean, look, I've already ruined the brush. You know.
Yeah, I think it's about useless. Well, me and my tools are ready whenever you are.
Yeah, so Instant Pot, you got to come up with a better way, man, because this brush has been used exactly one time, and the bristles on the bottom are already disgusting. And, yep, so there's that. It's like watching paint dry, but not. I mean, stuff is definitely coming up. So now, I really want to check it out. But I'm not. I'm going to let it stay here and oh, it won't. Guess what, guys? It won't start unless the lid's on. Okay. I guess all that's left is I'm going to go to bed and we'll check it out in the morning. Let this bad boy soak overnight. I managed to put on a new shirt and put my hair up, and we'll see if it got that burned gunk out. I'm not going to do anything. I just want to see if that alone worked. Alright, I'm going to go go dump it and I'll show you what it looks like. It worked! It worked! Maybe I should have started off with the dishwashing powder. I am going to do the clean cycle one last time, and I think I will do it with that, getting the water up to temperature hot. Almost. It's been at least 5 minutes, so it seems to take about 6 minutes every time to come to boil if it starts off with 100-degree water. Alright, it's clean. Alright, well, there you have it. The trick to cleaning on burned off stuff might just be this product, which is, I use the Finish Powerball Max In one. I probably could just throw the whole thing in there as is, but I did unwrap it and take out the Powerball. Regular liquid soap might work too, but we use this in our dishwasher because it seems to work better than anything else. Don't have any of the liquid at the moment, but might have to get some just to clean up burned on messes that happen in the Instant Ace Plus blender when you cook it on hot setting. Alright, well, there you have it. You're welcome.
Or I could just taste some of the flakes.
Huh?
I could just taste some of the flakes and see if they're garlicky. Oh man, that's what we do. Got sauce on my noodle. I got sauce on my glasses.
Oh no!
This stuff was so thick it got in my glasses.
It's a blender that cooks, but it also burns.
Well, it said it cooks. It didn't say it cleans.
That's like a dishwasher. It washes, it doesn't dry. You are not taking my blender apart.
I was going to go to the basement and get a plastic putty scraper, a little small one.